Hey guys, Geek into everyone! On this video I will show you how to enable connectivity between virtual machines located in different virtual data centers within the same data center group in VMware vCloud directory. And I will demonstrate how to share a network across VDCs and verify connectivity between them using a ping test. Okay, let's start it. Okay, here we go. I'm currently inside my tenant organization in vCloud director VMware, and here I have to test virtual data centers, VDC test 1 and VDC test 2. These VDCs will be used to demonstrate cross-VDC communication in this video. From the left navigation panel, I open Networking, and then I select Data Center Groups. Here I open my DCG named DCG Test. Okay, next I open participating VDCs and confirm that both VDC Test 1 and VDC Test 2 are members of this data center group. Okay, here we go, I confirm it, and then I open the networks tab, and we can see that currently there are no networks here. Okay, now I switch to VDC test 2, and I open the virtual machines section. Here I have a virtual machine named VM2 test. Okay, I opening this VM, I check the NIC, Network Interface Controller settings. The VM is connected to the network VDC2, and I already assign IP address to this network interface controller. Okay, I open Networks section in this VDC, and we can see that Network VDC2 is configured as an isolated network, and it's currently not shared. Okay, next I move to VDC test 1, and I also have virtual machine here named VM1 test. Okay, let's open this VM, and you can see that this VM also connected to another network VDC1, and I assign an IP address to this VM from another subnet. Okay, let's open a networks tab, and we can see that network VDC1 is also isolated and not shared network. Okay, select network VDC1 and choose Increase Scope button. In the dialog window, I select my data center group DCG test and confirm the action. Click on OK button. After a short processing time, the network status changed to shared. Yes, you can see it here. Let's return into the DCG, and I refresh the network, and now we can see that network VDC1 is available inside the data center group. Okay, let's open VDC test 2, and I can also see that this shared network from VDC test 1 is now visible here. Let's go and click on Virtual Machines tab, and then click on my VM2 test virtual machine. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna edit the VM2 test virtual machine and add an additional NIC. For this, I click Edit button, and then I click New. And for the new network adapter, I select the shared network VDC1. Then I choose static manual IP mode, and I assign static IP address from the shared subnet and save the configuration. Click Save button. Okay, some processing time. So it takes some processing time. Okay, here we go. And after the configuration is applied, we can check it on the screen, and I have to reboot this virtual machine to ensure that the network configuration is fully applied. I have to do that, and it's necessary action. I click all action, then power, and then click power off. Confirm power off. It takes some processing time. Okay, now VM2 test is off, and I click power on button to power the machine on. Once the virtual machine is powered back on, I open the console and click Launch Web Console. And it takes some time to boot in the operational system. And then I have to log into this operational system. Okay, then I run the IPA command to verify that and I see here that network adapter with the IP 192.168.1.7 is assigned to this VM. That's good. What I'm gonna do next, I finally run a ping test from this VM to the virtual machine located in the other VDC using the shared network interface. Okay, I type ping space 192.168.1.4. This is the IP address of the VM from the VDC test 1. The ping is successful, confirming that virtual machines located in different VDCs can communicate when both VDCs are part of the same DCG and connected through a shared network, even when they use a secondary network interface controller. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye bye!